Welcome to NEXCOM's Taoyuan Factory, a groundbreaking milestone in smart manufacturing. Join us as we explore the heart of this operations center in the War Room. This is where we bring Industry 4.0 to life. This is our Intelligent Operations Center, where we master real-time factory operations data through our IA2000 Cloud SCADA system. This open architecture solution bridges the gap between OT and IT, enabling seamless industrial communication and equipment integration. Our TV walls, equipped with up to 16K digital screensavers, provide a comprehensive view of key performance indicators across 9 OT and IT modules. These modules cover everything from production and facility management to energy consumption and cybersecurity, as seen here. At the core of our operations is the IA2000 Cloud SCADA system. This high-performance PC automation system integrates ERP, MES, and SCADA management charts, offering a unified platform for efficient decision-making for your company. Our production module uses smart machine boxes to collect data from SMT and DIP machines. This real-time data monitoring allows us to dynamically adjust machine processing and ensuring optimal production quality and efficiency across your entire production line. NextAIoT's cybersecurity technology protects our OT equipment from SCADA layer down to the IO level. Our ICS security monitoring platform provides real-time visibility into potential threats, ensuring robust protection for your entire operation. Our advanced traceability modules ensure complete transparency and control over our production process. Forward traceability tracks every piece of usage of materials to the production serial number of each batch, while reverse traceability allows us to trace back from the shipping to the end, all the way through every time. The shipping end, the process and environmental parameters and materials used. Additionally, image traceability enables us to retrieve surveillance footage from cameras during specific abnormal time intervals based on production serial numbers, adding an extra layer of quality control and assurance to your production process. For facility management, the IA2000 system incorporates environmental data like temperature, humidity, and air quality in our plant-wide monitoring system. This integration allows us to maintain optimal conditions for responding quickly to any anomalies that could affect your production cycles. Energy management is crucial in our operations. The IA2000 system monitors detailed circuit data, optimizing power usage during peak on and off times. This helps us reduce energy costs and enhance sustainability for our entire process. Predictive maintenance with the IA2000 uses machine learning to forecast equipment health and schedule preventative maintenance. This approach minimizes downtime, extending the lifespan of our critical machinery that keeps our factory up and running. Integration with the ERP and MES systems across our database provide a clear view of revenue, shipment statuses, and production capacity. Our dashboards allow us to monitor and adjust operations, ensuring that we meet our production targets efficiently. At NEXCOM, we are committed to sustainability and responsible manufacturing practices. Our ESG tracking system, based on the ISO 14067 standards, allow for real-time tracking of carbon emissions through the production process. This serves as the basis for carbon tax levying and for guidelines of effective carbon reduction strategies. By continuously monitoring our carbon footprint, we both ensure that our operations are efficient and environmentally responsible, meeting regulatory requirements and advancing our sustainability goals. Here at NEXCOM, we've transformed from an IPC factory into a diversified smart solutions group. Our Taoyuan Smart Factory stands as a testament to our commitment to Industry 4.0, proving that practical solutions can drive significant improvements in daily operations. Thank you for joining us on this tour of this factory and Industry 4.0.